Let's turn now to the retail space. Of course, this week we've got major retailers. Yesterday we saw Home Depot, Walmart out with their results. And this morning, Brian Sozzi, Target coming out with another big quarter and showing how the biggest retailers, and this is a theme across the economy, the big are getting bigger, and Target no different here.
Again, another quarter from Target, Miles, that I have never seen before in retail. Target is not an upstart company. They operate over 1,900 stores. They were founded in 1962. Target isn't some new phenomenon in the retail scene, but they were a phenomenon in the third quarter. Overall comparable store sales up 20.7%. Online sales up 155%. For a little perspective here, Walmart US had a good gain in the third quarter online of 79%. So Target did almost 2 times as that. Really, the strength by category, electronics up 50%, the home category up 20%. Clearly, a lot of consumers continue to invest in their homes. And I asked Target Chairman and CEO Brian Cornell about the resilience in the consumer on a conference call last night. And I do think he was perhaps a little surprised that given all the unemployment in the country and given the pandemic, people are spending this much. But all in all, he says the company's doing a lot right, and that's why they're shopping with Target.
And I guess that's why the shares, I think, are at a record in today's session, Brian Sozzi. What's also interesting to me is the market share that Target is taking. So this sales boost is not coming from nowhere. It's coming from competitors, it looks like, because the company said it gained market share across its core categories. It won $6 billion in market share year to date, and it cited internal data and market research it's done for that. So I guess the question is, where's it coming from? I mean, as we well know, Brian Sozzi, the department stores have been going down, and it does seem like increasingly, yes, this is a trend that's been going on for a long time, but more and more people are going to department stores, and maybe they're buying some of that stuff at places like Target, whether it's clothing or electronics, which I know saw big gains in the quarter. So it's interesting that it represents not just because of the pandemic, but as we've said about everything, exacerbated and accelerated by the pandemic, a fundamental change in consumer shopping habits.
That's right, Julie. A lot of these stores, department stores, hundreds of department stores have closed across the country. If you no longer have a department store in your town, where are you going to get a pair of Levi's jeans? You're going to Target.
Or even if you do still have one.
Yeah, look, Target, really nice store. Walmart, really nice store. I think these are all more pleasant experiences.
Macy's kind of dumpy. Let's just be real.
Macy's not as good.